Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Tiguan R, which is a 2-litre petrol automatic 320 PS 7-speed 4Motion finished in an upgraded Lapiz Blue special metallic paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty, so if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning the 360-degree walk around, we have your laminated safety glass windshield, which is heat and sound insulating, which will help to keep the car's temperature regulated. Another brilliant feature is your IQ lights, offering maximum efficiency during all weather conditions. This Tiguan R is complemented by these 21-inch Estoril black with diamond turned surface super light alloy wheels with the blue brake calipers, creating a sporty finish. Moving up, we have your silver door mirrors, as this is an R model. Panning further down, we have your rear privacy glass, again making the car look incredibly sporty, as well as filtering out any sunlight to reduce the amount of sun getting into the car, which is great for your rear passengers. Showing you your first glance of the upholstery, so we do have your flint grey and titanium black sports cloth with the blue contrast stitching pairing nicely with the theme of the car. This is an option on this model. We have a spacious interior, plenty of leg and headroom, and then your rear passengers do have access to climate controls as well as USB points to charge their media devices. A great feature on this car is your parking camera, which will support you with them tight manoeuvres and help you to park up nice and safely. Another great feature is your electric tailgate, which is really handy when your hands are full. So we can access this via the key fob. Then taking a look inside the boot space, so as you can see, you will not be disappointed with the amount of space we have available. We've got plenty of room to store your weekly shopping trips. And then we do also have your variable floors, so we can increase the boot capacity. Another brilliant option is your Swivelling tow bar, which is ideal for towing any trailers or caravans. So just holding your finger on the control, it will pop out the bottom. You just have to manually pull it yourself. Next, panning round, we do have your silver roof rails, tying it in nicely with the window trims and the door mirrors. These are also ideal for carrying any outdoor equipment. And then taking a look inside the front interior, we have your mats both front and rear. We have your R Performance steering wheel, followed by your R embossed front heated sport seats, ensuring you receive the most desirable experience every time you step foot inside the car. And then we have your panoramic sunroof, which is also an option, really brightening up the interior and further enhancing your experience. So that concludes the 360-degree walk around. So in the next part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features. Jumping inside, we have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments. We have your Alcantara in the doors. Then moving up, we have your fantastic Harman Kardon sound system, which is also an option on this model. Got your central locking on there as well. And then we have your automatic lights just to the right of the wheel, ensuring they're always on at the correct times. And then we have your heated multifunction R embossed steering wheel with the extended paddle shifters. So here we can access features without having to remove our hands to help create a safer driving environment. So on the left side of the wheel, we can activate your adaptive cruise control as well as your speed limiter. So this is great for motorway driving. We do have your volume adjustments on there as well. And then here we can also access your dynamic chassis control with your driving profiles, which will further enhance your experience as it allows you to choose your own driving style, preference to the driver. And then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customize what you want to see in your active information display screen. So here we can access your heating function. So in your active information display, you can find customizable menus and information. You can have your satellite navigation display directly in front of you. You can also change the view. Next, panning over to the centre console. So here we have your infotainment system where we can access a wide range of features that are available on this Tiguan R, including your FM and DAB radio with an endless of stations to save to your preset lists. Then we do have your Bluetooth, so you can make hands-free calls on the move, which is ideal if you have a busy working lifestyle. We have your satellite navigation, which is the perfect addition for helping you plan your routes, as well as providing you with the quickest ones. Another brilliant feature is your app connections, which is wireless for your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto, allowing you to pair your phone to the car to stream your music, maps, contacts and messages. Another great feature is your ambient lighting, so you have your customizable colours to choose from, just adding your own personal stamp to the car. This is preference to the driver. Then we've got some great safety features, so this does include your side assist. We have your trailer recognition, got your lane assist, your front assist for emergency braking, your adaptive cruise control for motorway driving, your driver alert system and your dynamic road sign display. When popping the car into reverse, your parking camera will appear on the screen. This will help you with manoeuvring in those tighter spaces. You do have the additional support from your parking sensors, both front and rear, which will give off an audio warning. This will help to protect your vehicle. Another great feature is your park assist, so you'll never need to worry about parking up again. This car does feature your climate controls, offering you and your passenger individual airflow to ensure you're both always comfortable. So you can access this via the screen or the controls just below, so it's all digital. It's nice and easy to use, and we do have your 3-point front heated seating to make sure you're nice and cosy in the colder months of the year. Panning further down, you'll find USB ports to charge media devices on the move. We have your keyless start. Now, as you can see, this car is automatic. We have an electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease for the driver. This car is a 4-wheel drive. So then here we can also access your driving profiles. And then panning further down, we have some hidden cup holder storage, as well as some additional storage underneath the armrest. And then finally, giving you another quick highlight on your panoramic sunroof. So just using the controls above, we can easily operate the roof. And then when the sun glare gets a bit too much, we do have your electric sun blind on there as well. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Tiguan R, which does include a 2-year warranty, as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.